What if everything you've been told about aging joints was only half the truth? Most doctors won't say this out loud, but morning stiffness after 60 isn't inevitable, and the solution might already be in your kitchen. For decades, we've reached for coffee when tired, soda when thirsty, and forgotten what our grandparents knew. The right drinks can be natural medicine. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. Today, I'll share 3 inflammation-fighting beverages that have transformed real lives. And a quick favor, if this resonates, hit like and subscribe. It helps us reach more people who need this. Let me introduce you to Frank. At 72, he'd given up his daily walks. Every sunrise, his knees screamed. Getting out of bed felt like climbing a cliff. His doctor offered standard anti-inflammatories, but Frank remembered what long-term use did to his father's stomach. He wanted another way. That's when we talked about the real enemy, not the helpful inflammation from a sprained ankle, but chronic inflammation, the silent fire smoldering in your joints day after day, eating cartilage, stealing mobility. And here's the key, what you drink fights that fire just as powerfully as what you eat. Have you ever noticed how your joints feel worse after certain beverages? Remember, this is educational. Always consult your doctor before changing your routine. Now, the 3 drinks that turned Frank's life around. Drink number 1, the Sunrise Turmeric Tonic. Centuries ago, in parts of Asia, they called it liquid sunshine. Here's the simple recipe. 1 cup of warm milk, dairy or plant, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is critical. Without black pepper, your body absorbs almost none of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Pepper boosts absorption by nearly 2,000%. Add honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir warm, never boiling. Why does it work? Curcumin is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories, shown to reduce joint inflammation by up to 58%. It blocks the chemical signals that tell your joints to swell and ache. Frank drank this every morning. Within 2 weeks, he felt a difference. After 60, your body naturally produces more inflammatory markers. Turmeric is your reinforcement. Stiffness doesn't have to be your new normal. Drink number 2, the Evening Cherry Calm. This is nature's alternative to ibuprofen. Not sweet cherries or sugary syrups. Real tart cherry juice, the kind that makes you pucker. Recipe: 8 ounces of 100% tart cherry juice. Look for Montmorency on the label. No added sugar. Mixed with 4 ounces of sparkling water. Too sharp? Add lemon. Drink it in the evening. Why evening? Tart cherries contain natural melatonin, helping you sleep, and your body does most of its joint repair while you rest. Research shows tart cherry juice lowers inflammatory markers as effectively as some prescription drugs, without the stomach issues. The deep red pigments called anthocyanins actively block enzymes that cause pain. Frank added this to his nightly routine. Combined with the morning turmeric, he now had round-the-clock support. Drink number 3, the Afternoon Ginger Green Tea Fusion. This is what I brew for myself every day. Steep 1 cup of green tea, not boiling water, which kills antioxidants. Aim for 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep 3 minutes. While it steeps, grate a ½ inch of fresh ginger root. Add it to the tea for 2 more minutes. Strain or leave the bits. Add a thin slice of lemon. Here's the magic. Green tea delivers EGCG, a compound that protects cartilage and reduces swelling. Ginger provides gingerols, which inhibit inflammatory pathways. Together, they work better than either alone. That's synergy. The Arthritis Foundation found that ginger can cut knee pain by up to 40%. Frank drank this mid-afternoon between his other 2 beverages. 3 times a day, he was flooding his system with natural fighters. Now, why timing matters? Your inflammatory markers fluctuate throughout the day. Morning stiffness peaks, turmeric hits that. Evening repair needs help, tart cherry works its magic. Afternoon inflammation from daily activity builds up. Ginger green tea resets the system. After 14 days, Frank's morning stiffness improved by 70%. After a month, he was walking again. Not marathons, but enough. Enough to feel like himself. You have more control than you believe. Here's how to start. Don't just gulp these randomly. Week 1, drink only the morning turmeric. Week 2, add the evening cherry. Week 3, add the afternoon tea. Consistency is everything. These aren't instant pills. They're slowly rebuilding your inflammatory balance, undoing years of damage. Give them time. Quality matters too. fresh organic ingredients, real tart cherry juice without added sugar, and plenty of plain water, 8 glasses a day, to flush inflammatory waste from your joints. One last truth, these drinks aren't magic bullets. If you're eating processed meats, excess sugar, and refined carbs, you're pouring gasoline on the fire. But combine these 3 drinks with even modest diet improvements, more vegetables, fewer processed foods, and the results multiply. Frank did exactly that. Seniors, listen, you are not destined to live with joint pain. Imagine waking without that familiar ache. Imagine walking your grandchildren to the park without dreading the walk back. Imagine feeling strong and capable in your own body again. If you want to age with strength, energy, and freedom, subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle today. Smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and comment below with your own story.